This is Dave Nicosia, Warning and Coordination Meteorologist with the National Weather Service in Binghamton, New York. This is our third briefing on the heavy rain and flood potential for the period of today through October 2nd, 2015. A flood watch has been issued for a large part of New York State and much of western and northern Pennsylvania, and the flood watch does extend up into New England. And this is in effect from 4 p.m. today through noon on Wednesday. Remember, a flood watch means that the potential exists for flooding in and close to the watch area. So this is the radar loop as of mid-afternoon today. And you can see there's lots of rain coming to the east-northeast from the Ohio Valley and Mid-Atlantic states and streaming northward into northeast Pennsylvania up into upstate New York. And this feed of rain is in advance of a cold front that is moving south from the Great Lakes region. So you can see we have this cold front that extends from southeastern Canada to the Great Lakes and back into the plains. And there is an area of high pressure that is pushing into the northern plains. And at the same time, we have a lot of activity in the southern United States and even in the tropics. Tropical storm Joaquin is east of the Bahamas right now. And there are several other low pressure areas in the deep south. And all this moisture associated with the low pressure systems in the southern U.S. is moving north, and it's going to intercept this cold front that is slowly slipping southward towards New York State. And when this tropical moisture intersects this frontal boundary, we're expecting excessive or heavy rainfall, especially tonight into Wednesday morning. So that's the big concern. But fortunately, it's been very dry, and a lot of the rainfall that we are going to see tonight through tomorrow is going to be beneficial rains. However, there is a chance that some localized areas could see rainfall in excess of 4 inches, which would cause some flooding of small streams, urban areas, and possibly even some more dangerous flash flooding. Therefore, the flood watch is in effect. Here's the storm total rainfall, and this is the rainfall for today, tonight, and tomorrow, Wednesday, the 30th. And you can see most of our area is going to see between 3 and 4 inches of rain. You get down into northeast Pennsylvania, it's down closer to 2 inches. But this is a significant amount of rain. But again, it has been so dry that we're not expecting the rivers to flood. And really, we're just more concerned about the very small streams and especially the urbanized areas that could see some flood problems. So this is the first area of low pressure that is moving northward. But what we're concerned about is all that area of low pressure that I showed you south of the region is going to congeal into one large area of low pressure system and move up the East Coast potentially this weekend into early next week and provide our area with easterly winds coming from the east. And this could prolong the chances for heavy rainfall into the weekend and even early next week. If this were to materialize, we could be looking at much more significant potential for flooding in our forecast area, and this system bears watching. It is a little bit far out, so there is some uncertainty, or quite a bit of uncertainty exactly on the track and timing and the exact impacts on our area. So we urge you to monitor conditions as the days progress. So in summary, rain heavy at times tonight and Wednesday morning, some urban and flash flooding possible. Rain diminishes Wednesday afternoon, but this next system that's going to organize on the East Coast is looking like it could potentially bring more significant flood potential into the region the weekend into early next week. So we really urge you to monitor conditions. So on your PC, just go to weather.gov/BGM. On your phone or mobile device, mobile.weather.gov, or you could visit us on social media.